Hello again. It's me. And I'm here to show you something. And yes, I moved over to my other section of the office. Anyway, these Ziplocs, I had these for like ever. I basically bought a bunch of them and never used them. I knew I was going to use them for something, but for what? Who knows? But today I said I was going to do some more organizing of my crafting supplies. So it worked out perfectly because look, I have a lot of dyes I didn't realize, but these are all brand new. So I just took one, put it in there, and another one, put it in there. So what I found was it's so much easier to keep them as they are purchased so that I don't have to worry about finding them in the condition that I have them in my other room, which is inside of a bin. So some of them I already used, some of them I have not, some of them I just opened up. But either way, you can see exactly what I mean. So I don't even have to cut to break this apart. Just put it inside of my big shot and just continuously do it with different sheets of paper, different colors, and then I get my my desired image. So what I'm actually doing now is this stack here I already have finished. So I'm just zipping up my bags to make sure that they're closed because I'm going to put these in a container where they're going to stand up. And then another day when I'm really on down on time or whatever, I'm going to label them. These are semi like some type of plastic, almost like a rubbery type of material. So I will be able to use a pen to write on it to allow me to know what's in it if I just feel like I want it labeled. I'm going to stand them up inside of a box that I did inside of there. Now I have these dies, which I don't know what they're for, but they're larger. So I'm just going to leave them like this for right now and then just put them somewhere else. These here, like I said, just go inside these little bags. If you want to use sandwich bags, just be prepared to change them quite often because these metal dies are metal dies. You don't want to put metal dies inside cooking Ziploc bags. Those are not going to work. These here are a better quality. If you have a store called Dayso, I think it's called Dayso, they have these better bags. They're not $1 or $2. They're a little bit more, but the entire setup in that store is amazing. I'm going to have to go there one day. I wonder if today will be a good day. I'm going to have to ask them if I can record. I think I already asked them and they said no. I think I already asked them. That store is beautiful, but I also wouldn't want certain. I wouldn't want someone to see me in that store. You don't want everybody to know where you eat. So you somebody understands what I mean. I absolutely love this dye right here. So I'm glad I have them. I have a little girl that's going to be coming here, so I'm going to build a stock of dyes for her just in case her mother lucks up and get her a die cutting machine. I have this dye already in two different dyes. Sometimes it's best to have more than one because then you get to run two at the same time or three at the same time, and then you get to multiply what it is you're trying to make. So it basically saves time, and time is valuable. Some people just don't understand the value in time, especially if you can get something done. Like you might have just heard my washer finish washing, so that's one of the prizes that I have. This one here is like so cute. It's Valentine's, I think, but I'm not sure if it's the correct text that it's supposed to be. But when this is actually done, let me see. When this is actually done, it's going to be candy hearts, like those love hot stuff, love you. Yep, it's right. So I'm going to put this in by itself. Although I have one that it could go in with, but that's not important right now. And this one here, I haven't used it yet, but I think I don't know what I would use it on other than a decorated designer paper. I can't see me using this on red or green or because it has leaves, but I think I can rock it if I was to put it on a colorful paper. So now I see that I'm running low. So let's just close that. And these are done. This was a really good use of my time, even though I just woke up from a nap and couldn't stay asleep. But I am still tired. I've been tired for the last few days. So, but I'm not gonna let that become an excuse for when I can stay awake. I don't have any idea what this one is, but I see a little flower gate or something. I'm gonna try. I'm not interested in making any cards right now. I'm just interested in cleaning up my room. And this one here I'm gonna give to the little girl because I think I have two of these. This is a baby onesie for a little girl, I believe. So I'm going to put some, and then this is the little pocketbook. I have maybe one or two. So I'm going to just put these in here to transfer them back into my my other room while I tidy up some of my mess. But that was just my little bit of organization to show you another way to do your dies. Now, when you get your dies in those bags, don't put them back in this bucket. This bucket you want to get out while you make use of those standing up somewhere so you can see them. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.